Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. AMC is making a great recovery, and I believe that a short squeeze is around the corner. In fact, I believe the price can really get to $30 quite easily. And in this video, I'm going to go through a couple of fundamentals that show why I believe it can get to $30, and also some technicals basically showing that this is the best time to get in AMC if you're looking to get in. And by the way, this is not financial advice. I just like this stock. So make sure you guys watch to the end. Strap on your seatbelts, and guys, we're heading to the moon. The quarterly financials for AMC has been getting a lot better. I mean, from Q1 of 2021 all the way up to Q4 of 2021, it shows that there's been progress made in the company despite the whole quarantine, despite the lockdown. Everything, the company has been really doing well and getting from strength to strength. Analysts right now are saying that this is underperformed, which you can obviously see why. Basically, the price has been falling, but with the price falling, of course, getting in on the dip is a good idea if you believe in the company and the company has good fundamentals, and basically they're bound to make a good recovery. And such company is AMC. Get in AMC at a discount right now. So the interesting things right now are the short float, short ratio, shares float, and shares outstanding. So the short float basically means how many short interest there is within AMC, and right now it's sitting at 19.74%, which is fairly high. I mean, anything above 20% is really high. So you can see as the price has been falling, there's been a lot of short sellers getting on board, basically pounding this stock, hoping to try and get the stock down to zero, basically get AMC bankrupt. But there's a lot of apes like you guys out there, like myself, who want to get in, keep the demand going in AMC. So the fact that the short flow right now is high, the minute the price starts rising, which it's currently doing, there's going to be a lot of short sellers trapped in the market, which is going to be a beautiful thing. And this is a key ingredient for a mother of all short squeezes. For now, a short squeeze right now before we get into the MOAS, this is a really beautiful thing to see. And the shares float right now is sitting at 513 million. There's still a lot of shares that theoretically that a lot of short sellers can basically grab to buy back to cover the position. Although the short squeeze is around the corner, it could take a couple of weeks to basically manifest itself and effectively trap a lot of short sellers and have a lot of them panicking. And then of course, the more people buy shares, the shares float will decrease gradually, and it will get harder for short sellers to buy back to cover the position. The chart of AMC right now is looking really good. I mean, you can see where the price pretty much took a nosedive all the way down to $14. I mean, pretty much all the way down to the initial move that it made, the initial all-time high that it made around $20. So it went below that, and basically that $20 has formed a resistance at the moment. As you can see, the price came up, touched that level, came back down, came back up again, touched that level, and every time it's touched that level, the price is just basically falling. It's showing that there's a lot of supply around that area. But right now, the price is heading towards that level for the third time. And I believe this is the time that it's going to break that resistance. And when it breaks that resistance, there's going to be a lot of momentum following that move. You can already see the candle right now is a huge move, basically going from $15 all the way up to $18. It's got a lot of you apes and myself excited, gassed over this right now. And from the MACD, it sees that there's a golden cross getting established, which shows that the momentum is shifting from, or has shifted from, the bearish side to the bullish side. So all of this, joined with resistance getting broken, is gonna really send this price heading up, definitely heading up to $30 at the very least. The reason why I've given the price of $30 is basically the $30 coincides with the resistance around the pretty much the initial all-time high on the monthly, but also it coincides with the 10 moving average, because right now the price is below the 10 moving average on the monthly, which shows that the trend is to the bearish side. So it's very likely that the bulls are going to send this price up to test that 10 moving average as a dynamic resistance and possibly break it. And not just possibly break it, but I believe it definitely will break it to head to the all-time high at $70 Oh, that's another story for another day. So right now the price is more than likely to head to $30. So guys, like I said at the start of the video, strap on your seatbelts because we're heading to the moon. If you enjoyed this video and you're a fellow IT, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any further uploads and updates on AMC, letting you guys know what's going on with AMC every step of the way. Smash that like button, let me know this is the kind of content that you like to see, and I'll continue bringing out content like this. And also comment your thoughts on AMC below. I know you're already gonna say you love it, so just let me know in the comments below. Thanks guys, God bless.